To the students or followers and professors, this is the pre-last ice age occupation of the world map of the spreading of the Igbos, the Bantus. The Bering Sea Icy Bridge from Siberia to Alaska. It is interesting that some writers and some institutions do know that the traditional theories regarding the Paleo-American origin, which claim that the first Americans crossed the icy bridge from Siberia to Alaska was forced by 25,000 BC to 12,000 BC. There were the native inhabiting the Americans thousands of years before then. The periods of 25,000 BC to 12,000 BC falls into the late Neolithic African stage. The Europe began rebounding as the glacial meltdown progressed about 11,000 BC. The melting of the ice. Europe was humanly slow, though geologically rapid. Life was not instantaneously restored. The inherent error has been the truncation of the world chronology to fit into the European chronology. To the readers or professors and students, the icy highway, ice-free corridor between the large Canadian ice sheets and the Siberia ice sheet did not happen. Rather, the work by man was to reach the tropical unglaciated land, the south. The claim work from east, now Siberia, then buried in over a mile thick glacial ice to the North America did not happen. Its sibling was too much of an impossible state and too many thousands of miles of icy wilderness for such a migration to have occurred. Below was the approximate chronologically sound spreading of the Africans during the Paleolithic Ice Age till the 12,000 BC of the late Neolithic African stage. To the readers or professors and students, this is the pre-last Ice Age spreading map by ChineduemekacyrilAnuforo, all right reserved. This map represents the likeness of the earliest spreading from Africa to the rest of the world. By 80,000 BC, all people in the temperate and tundra region have been pushed south into the temperate and subtemperate regions. By 55,000 BC to 35,000 BC, the ice cap over most of the temperate world has reached over a mile thick. Note that the preserved remains of those who died in the temperate and tundra Europe during the advancing ice cap have become the objects for theoretical and academic sentiment in Europe. Nature drama play out on Earth from the Paleolithic stage Africa to about 13,000 BC, when ice quit advancing to about 8,000 BC, when significant melting has occurred. The world was being booming with life within the subtropical, tropical and equatorial climatic regions. The warm climatic regions were occupied by the most advanced people of the then world, the Igbo, later referred to as the Bantus.